Hello, this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 74001, made by Streamlight. It's your Strion flashlight, the 120 volts. I'm going to take it out here so you can get a closer look in the box. Here we have operating instructions and a pamphlet that has more products of Streamlight. Comes with your 2 screws for your charger wall mount. On-off switches here at the bottom. To place it back on the charger, you'll need to hear a click like that, and then it's secure. And here we have your chargers.